All right, so this particular problem, we have 4D is equal to something, but we want to know what it is when D is equal to 120. Now remember that whenever you have a number right next to the letter, does anybody in here remember what we call the number in front of a letter? That's called a coefficient. So we'll just say COEFF for short. What do we call the letter in algebra? Does anybody remember that term? Yes, that's correct. It's a variable. So whenever we have the coefficient right next to a variable, coefficient literally means multiply, right? So we're going to multiply this 4 times whatever the value of D is, okay? So wherever the variable is, right, I'm going to plug in the value of 120. And then everything else kind of stays the same. In other words, I'm going to say 4 times 120. Now, if you plug that in your calculator, it's just going to be 480. Does that make sense? Any questions?